Hi, good morning. Let us learn very interesting story. Little Bobby. Come directly into the story. It is a humorous story. Humor means funny, making fun. Really, it will make you laugh. Little Bobby came into the kitchen where his mother was making dinner. Yes. So, what was his mother doing? She was making dinner when little Bobby came into the kitchen. Is it clear to you? When little Bobby came into the kitchen, his mother what was she doing? Making a dinner. His birthday was coming up, very near, approaching, is it? His birthday was approaching very near, and he thought this was a good time to tell his mother what he wanted. So, generally, on his birthday, his mother would give him a gift, a present, or something he likes to get. So, he thought it was the best time to ask what he wanted because his birthday was approaching or coming near, or immediately it was going to come. So, as his birthday was near, Bobby thought that it was the best time to ask what he wanted. Can you tell this as an answer? See, why was it the best time? Because his birthday was approaching near. So he thought that it was the best time for him to ask what he wanted. Mom, I want a bike for my birthday. So on my birthday, I don't want a piece of cake or some sweets. No. I want something more than that. This birthday, on my birthday, I want, what do I want? I want a bike. Little Bobby, small boy. Okay, now. So, we know that parents won't give a bike to a boy until he reaches age of 18, or even if 18, they are afraid whether they would make any trouble. That means any accident might happen. They can't even get the license below 18 years of age. So anyhow, so Bobby, has seen many of his friends, maybe elder ones, senior students, coming by bike, and also he also thought I should also get a bike. So on my birthday this year, what he is asking, I want a bike on my birthday. Bobby was a bit of a troublemaker. In fact, in reality, he was a troublemaker, a mischievous boy. Of course, he was very good, but a little mischievous. I like you people. It's good that you are a little active and be mischievous also at that age. Only when you are age you can do that now. Can I make such kind of mischievous things at this age? No, I cannot. So, generation gap is there. So, I cannot even imagine, at your place. Okay, now, 9th class now. I remember my childhood days. Of course, anyone would remember school days, the most sweetest period of one's life. So, in a way, our Bobby was a little troublemaker. Okay, mischievous. Okay, he had gotten into trouble at school and at home. So he got into trouble. That's all gotten. Okay, he got into trouble. So some problem here and there with his friends, teachers, school also. He is a troublemaker. At home, surely he makes all kinds of mischievous things. Okay, now his troubles he would make very often. Bobby's mother asked him if he thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. So mother told him, first you think yourself. See, you recollect whether you deserve. See, there is a saying, first deserve, then desire. If you are asking, if you are desiring something, expecting something, you must, first think that whether you deserve it, whether you are qualified for that, that is deserving. Whether you are qualified to get that bike, is it not so? In the sense that, suppose, since last birthday, if you have done very well, studied very well, did your duties very well, behaved well with the parents, you are a good boy at school, good boy at home, only then you can demand that I need a good present. Suppose if you are not behaving well, always problem in the school, problem at home, not studying well, not obeying the parents, parents scolding, punishing, how can you ask for a birthday gift? You cannot, because you don't deserve it, because you have not been a good boy. That's the problem. You have not been behaving well. So, first deserve, then desire. Before desiring or asking or wishing, you must be deserving it, means be qualified for that. If you have been a good boy, if you are a good boy, you can surely demand. I studied my lessons well, I behaved very well, with everyone else. Good boy, good boy. So last 1 year now, since last birthday up to this birthday. So you just think, imagine and find out whether you have been a good boy. That's the meaning of that. So deserving means what? Be qualified in what sense? Studying very well, getting good marks, good behavior. If you deserve, you can desire. Remember the words? First deserve, then desire. Okay now? Before desiring, before expecting, you must be deserving that. Be qualified for that. Okay, Bobby's mother asked him if he thought, whether Bobby thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. Yes, to get that bike, first he should deserve it. Bobby, of course, thought he did. He thought he did. What is wrong with that? I may have made some mistakes, quite natural. No? Anyone would make some mistakes. He does not take it as a mischievous things. I deserve it because I have been a good boy. According to him, according to his parents, he may not be that much behaving well. Okay, very good. But for him, he won't think it is anything seriously wrong. So he thought he was a good boy and he deserved it. Bobby really thought that he deserved to get a bike. Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to reflect on, means recollect, think. See, reflect means go back to your past, means last birthday to this birthday, whether you behaved well, studied well, etc. etc. On his behavior over the last year, how you behaved in this last year, since your last birthday, how you behaved. You just recollect, means remember, recollect, think about that. Just remember, means recollecting, you see, reflecting. You see, examination of conscience. Look into your heart, into your mind, and think and find out whether you behaved well or not. Whether you behaved well. Okay now. On his behavior over the last year and said, go to your room, Bobby, and think about how you have behaved this year. Yes, you go to your room, be there for some time, recollect in your memory how you behaved in this last 1 year. How hard you been behaving? How you had been behaving? Yes, how you been behaving? Past perfect continuous and present perfect continuous can also be used. Okay now, in this last year, how you behaved? Just recollect on, reflect on, remember. Okay now, just remember, just recollect, just think about how you have been behaving. During this last 1 year. Okay. Then write a letter to God. You must always pray now. Yes. So instead of praying, simply going and telling something, you can write a letter to God and tell him. H is capital, which means God. Okay, now that H is capital means which is God. So you write a letter to God and tell him why you deserve a bike for your birthday. So you must have an answer. You have to explain. So you are asking a bike on your birthday. So, not to me, you tell God, oh God, I deserve a bike. Why? Why do you deserve a bike on your birthday? You must explain that. There must be some reasons, no? There must be some reason why you thought you deserved a bike. You must have some reasons, I repeat, you must have some reasons why you thought that you deserved a bike on your birthday. Okay. Bobby stumbled up steps to his room. See, he moved towards his room. Yes, his pet dog followed him. He had a pet dogs. I think you all will have some pets at home, especially dogs. Okay, Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to God. Yes, he sat down, he thought for some time. What all things I must write when I write a letter to God? When I write a letter to God, what should I write? He thought for a while, what should I write to God if I am writing a letter to God? Jesse sat beside him. Jesse, I mean a pet dog, sat beside him. Okay, and started watching what Bobby was doing. It's very nice now. So when you look at the dog, it will look at you. I see. I suppose when you are eating something from your hand to mouth, it will be looking. Is it not so? Yes, expecting that you would give it something. When you are writing, you will it will look at your pen, your hand. When you are taking some other book, some other dog also will turn its attention towards. So it will be observing you very keen and close. Your pet dog will be observing you, watching you, looking at you very keen and closely observing. Okay. And started watching what Bobby was doing. So our dog began watching what our Bobby was doing. First letter 1. I have been very good boy this year, dear God. See how to write letter. Salutation on the left side. You must have to place and letters on the right side. See, dear God, we can address anyone like this, dear friend, dear mother. So salutation, this is called salutation. That should be from the margin, left side from the margin. Dear God, I have been very good boy this year. So I have been very good. I behaved very well. Learned my lessons. Very disciplined at school. Behaved very well. A very good boy I have been in this year. And I would like to have a bike for my birthday. So I would like to have a bike on my birthday because I have been a good boy, a very good boy this year since last birthday to up to this birthday. So I have been a very good boy, so I would like to get a bike on my birthday. I want a red one. Color also selected. If you are giving a bike, you must give me a red colored bike. So he wrote a letter to God. Okay, so in this way can I write a letter? Can you write a letter in this way? Not exactly this, adding some additional framework. Place a date, salutation, body, then conclusion, then address on the envelope. Address should be also there. Okay, now friendly letter. So learn how to write a letter. Writing a letter. A video is there, SGK English. You just write, letter writing space SGK English. You will really go into that video. All the details, narrated there. So once you watch the video, letter writing, go to YouTube, write letter writing space SGK English. The full details will be there. How to write a letter, what are the parts of letter 5. Parts of any letter. So what all things are there, heading, body, all these things are explained there. Once you see that, letter writing. You go to YouTube, just write letter writing space SGK English. Okay, now you will get all the details. Okay, so after this lesson, we will have a small video on letter writing 2. But in that we may not have all the details. So full details there in that video. Okay, so I want a red one. Your friend Bobby. Your friend Bobby, see everything on the left side. Nowadays, people prefer to write everything on the left side because you don't send letter by post. And post office, where is the post office? You don't know actually. It is there, but you go only for a speed post. Other letters sending not there. We send by SMS, MMS, many things are there. No mail, you can do that. Okay, na? Email, Gmail, you can send letter. Not of taking in the inland letter or cover and write it, paste it, go to post office and post it. No need. SMS enough, mail enough. Okay, na? Yes. So in that sending a mail also, the cursor will be always on the left side. So taking the right side will be a little bit difficult. So people prefer to write salutation including on the left side. That is one method of writing letter. Okay. Bobby knew that this wasn't true. Of writing, he thought, is it right? He wrote, I have been a very good boy. After thinking for some time, he doubted whether he had been a very good boy in this last 1 year. His behavior, was it good or not good? No, 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 not that good. So I cannot say I have been a very good boy. He had not been very good boy this year. This year he had not been very good. So he tore up the letter. So he tore, tear, tore, torn. Tear, tore, torn. Break it into 2-3 pieces. Okay now. Tear, tore, torn. Not torn, torn. Tear, tore, torn. How to pronounce it? Tear, tore, torn. R is very often silent. R is very often silent. Okay. So, Bobby knew that this wasn't true. He had not been a very good boy this year. See, when R is silent, another video is also there. How to pronounce the letter R. Okay, SGK English. So he tore up the letter and started writing another letter. So he wrote a second letter because he knew that he had not been good in this last year. So second letter, letter 2. Dear God, this is your friend Bobby. This is from your dear friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you. So first letter he was not satisfied. See, I mean, somehow he felt that it is not okay. He simply wrote, I have been a good boy. Then he doubted whether he had been a good boy or not. First he wrote, I had been a good boy. I have been a good boy. Then he doubted whether he had been a good boy. I repeat, then he doubted whether he had been a good boy. So he tore up the first letter and wrote a second letter. This is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you. Your friend Bobby. Bobby knew that this wasn't true either. Not right, no. He got doubts, many doubts whether he had been behaving well, good boy, not bad boy, not bad boy. Oh, doubt, many kinds of doubts. So he tore up that letter also. So he tore the letter and started again. Letter number 3, third letter. Dear God, I have been okay boy this year. Good boy changed it to okay. Okay means satisfactory, not very good. Good, very good, excellent. Okay, satisfactory. Many gradations are there now. Okay means average, not very good. Not good also. Okay. Okay means okay. That is all. Okay means satisfactory, which means not good. Is it not so? Okay means what? Average. Not good. But okay, it is okay. That means not okay. Okay means not okay. Okay now. Very good. Good means okay. Very good means good. Actually, is it not so? Reality, when you are telling good, it will be okay. When you are telling very good, it will be good. When you are telling excellent, it will be very good. Okay now? So like that. Okay. So I have been okay boy, not very good boy. Not even good boy. Okay boy. So I still would really like a bike for my birthday. Though I had not been good. See, not good actually, okay only okay means average, below average performance. This last 1 year means my study, my behavior, my everything. Sum total of it, not good. Not very good, not good, still down. Okay. Still, even though I had not been a good boy, I am only okay. I still want a bike for my birthday. By Bobby. Bobby knew he could not send this letter to God either. That also not good. Not good. I cannot say I have been okay. So Bobby wrote the fourth letter. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know I haven't been good boy this year. He accepts. He confesses. Telling open. Let's confess. Telling everything open. Okay, my God. I know that I have not been a good boy. This year my behavior have not been so good. I know it. I know that my behavior have not been very good this year. Yes, I am very sorry. Now he feels sorry for that. He looks into him. See, self-examination. He makes a, I repeat, self-examination. How he behaved with parents, elders, superiors, teachers, friends, neighbors. Okay, now he realizes that he had not been a very good boy this year. Okay, and now he feels sorry. Dear God, I am very sorry for that. What to do? I know that I have not been behaving well. I have not been studying well. So, God, sorry. I am very sorry for that. I will be a good boy. But don't worry. Next time means next year. This birthday will be over, then next year. From this birthday to next birthday, I will be a good boy. I will be a good boy, very good boy. If you just send me a bike for my birthday, but on condition, what? You must send me a bike. If you give me a bike, I would behave well. Is it not so? So some children will ask, I will behave well, I will stop crying if you give me a chocolate. Chocolate, not a 5-star, 7-star, whatever. Give me a bike, then I will be a good boy. I have not been a good boy this year, but I will be a very good boy. But send me a bike. If you send me a bike, on condition that if you send me a bike, if clause. Now, you know the use of if clause. Learn it, very important. 10th class, very important. That grammar, if clause. Type 1, 2, 3. Okay, now study the grammar. Okay, that also there. Okay, grammar lesson. Whatever grammar you have a doubt, type the name of that grammar. Type SGK English. You will get from that YouTube channel SGK English. If clause also is there. I will be a good boy if you just send me a bike for my birthday. So I promise you that I will be a very good boy if you send me a bike on my birthday. Please, now he is coming down. So he doubts whether he would get it. First he was very confident. He thought he was a good boy. Now he is coming down, telling sorry. So he looked in his conscience, in his mind, how he behaved. Then he understood many mistakes are there, many wrongs. Had been committed. Now he is coming and telling sorry and begging, please, oh God, please give me a bike on my birthday. Thank you. Please give me a bike on my birthday. Bobby knew. Okay. Even if it was true, this letter was not going to get him a bike. Now he realizes that this letter also won't bring him a bike. Now Bobby was very upset. What to do? God will not accept because God knows everything. We cannot tell lies to a God. You can tell a lie to your friend, even to your parents, you can tell. But you cannot tell any lie to God because God sees everything. See, even if you tell lie, afterwards you will realize that he told a lie. That also another thing. Sin. Okay, na? Yes, you cannot make any sins now because God sees everything. Whatever you do, God sees. Now you are studying lesson, that also is seen by God. You are studying very well. Okay, na? So God sees everything. We cannot tell in lies to him. So we have to accept everything. Okay, I told it like this. I made a lie. I behaved bad, very not good. Okay, na? My behavior was not good. That also God sees. So you cannot tell lies in front of God. Okay, na? Yes. So he knew that he was not going to get a bike. Now Bobby was very upset. He went downstairs and told his mom that he wanted to go to church. So when you are feeling very sorry, you must go to church. Okay, na? Not church, but church. Okay, so your English stories, English lessons all will have a Christian background. That's why. So when you feel sorry, you go to church and pray. You go to church, go pray to God, talk to God. You get the experience of talking with God. You feel the presence of God there in the church. So people, those who go to church, believe that God is there. Okay, it's a house of God. It's a home of God. So God is there. You can go kneel down in front of Him and tell everything open. Okay, na? Whatever you are sorry for, whatever you want to ask, you can speak to Him. Not like you close your eyes, go to your conscience, your manasakshi, okay, and recollect what you have done. Wrong things are there, good things are there. You can talk to Him directly. Tell sorry and tell Him that you won't repeat again. You feel that the presence of God in the church. So he said he wanted to go to church. Okay, See? Okay, Bobby's mother thought that her plan had worked. Now mother understood that her plan worked very well because Bobby began thinking what all things he had done, all the mistakes recollected. He is repenting, feeling sorry for the wrong things or mistakes he committed. So he is going to church to pray. As Bobby looked very sad, now he seemed very sad, means he felt sorry for all the wrong things, mistakes he committed during the last 1 year. So he is going to church to pray and tell sorry to God and repent and make a confession. That is a service, church service. Okay now? So confessing to God that all these things are wrong things. So please forgive me. And God will forgive you. Ever forgiving, God will forgive you. So you feel happy and you feel relaxed. Okay. Okay. So just be home in time for dinner. Okay. So she told him that, okay, you go to church, pray, and don't be late for dinner. So dinner here not lunch, but really, lunch time meals. That's what is meant here. Actually, the time schedule is breakfast in the morning, lunch noon time, dinner. Dinner here we take only snacks. Okay. Actually, routine it should be dinner and supper during the night. Okay, so anything special prepared can be called dinner. On your birthday, bada khana prepares dinner. Anything special prepared, anything big, I said no bada khana. Okay, something lavish prepared, we can call it as a dinner at any time. It's a dinner. So dinner program, dinner party. The same way. So don't be late for dinner. Bobby's mother told him. Okay. Bobby walked down the street to church on the corner. So down the street he walked and he reached the church. Okay, little Bobby went into the church and up to the altar. Not altar, but altar. ALTR is not altar, but altar. Altar means the erected platform where service is being performed. The priest would come and do the service. So the very holy place. Very holy. Okay now. So holy place where the service is being offered to God. The service being offered to God, the holy place, and the erected platform is called altar. Okay. He looked around to see if anyone was there. Then here is a twist in our story. So he did not kneel down and say sorry to God and pray and say sorry, God forgive me, I am wrong, forgive my sins, I will not repeat it again. Nothing done. He looked at everybody is looking. Looked around. Anybody is a priest is there. Any employees are there. Employees will be there in church. Okay na? So anybody is there. He looked around. Bobby bent down and picked up a small statue of Mary, the Mother of God. The startling twist in our story. There is a statue, okay, of Mother of God, Mother Mary. He picked the statue of Mother of God. Okay now? He slipped the statue under his shirt. He took a statue, small statue, and put it under his shirt. Okay, and ran out of the church. He went away to the church, down the street, into the house, and up to his room. He directly went into the room. He shut the door of his room. What did he do? He went to church, took the statue of Mother Mary, Mother of God, and put it in his shirt, hid it, okay, under his shirt, and ran to his room, to his house, to his room, and closed the door, and sat down with a piece of paper and pen. He took a piece of paper and pen. Bobby began to write his letter to God, his 5th letter. 4 letters, not satisfactory. Final letter, last warning. I have kidnapped your mom. Bobby imagine that he is a hero or not hero, villain. That you see in a cinema. So they would take someone by force and ask, a compensation. Is not so? Okay, suppose you are a very rich rowdy or a gunda or a villain can take you to his house and make a phone call to your father. Your son is here. Come with 5 lakhs. Or even 5 crore if you are very rich. If you give me 5 crore, I will give you some. Otherwise, your son will be in danger. Don't blame me afterwards. Oh, any father, even if he hasn't got money, he would borrow here and there and give you how much ever you demand. But the problem is that the moment you make a phone call, what happens? It will be tapped by the police and they will come and catch you and put in prison. Okay, that is not possible nowadays. It was possible once upon a time. Now everything can be watched. Your location can be traced by your phone call. Your movement can be traced. Okay, now yes, now it is not possible. Anyhow, here he made a real kidnap. Whom is kidnapped? Mother of God, Mother Mary is kidnapped. Oh, I have kidnapped your mom. He is telling directly, oh God, your mother is with me. I have kidnapped. Statue, of course, but Bobby felt it is real Mother of God. If you want to see her again, your mother now, your loving mother, beloved mother, dear mother, if you want to see your mother again, once again, send me a bike. No money required, no Swiss required. Send me a bike on my birthday. Of course, God only decides now. Even if present is given by your parents, God decides. If only God decides, anything can be done. Anything will be done. By the will of God only, anything will be done. So, if you want to see your mother again, interesting now. See, if you want to see your mother again, your mother is with me. In my pocket, under my shirt. It is here, your mother. If you want to meet your mother again, send me a bike. So it's a warning. So I have kidnapped your mother. Your mother is with me. I have kidnapped her. Poor Bobby, little Bobby. Funny story. Why? He thought the statue is a mother. Okay, na? So I have taken your mother. I have kidnapped her. And it is with me. She is with me. It is in my room. And if you want to see your mother again, send me a bike. So it is only a humorous story. So many 5 letters are given here. So you must be able to write a letter. You must be able to write, not like kidnapping and all. No, that's only funny story. It's only humorous story, just to make you laugh. That's all. So can you write the story of Bobby? Can you write the story of Bobby in your own words? Once try what happened here in this humorous story. So narrate this story in your own words. Narrate this story in your own words. See, I answer the questions also. Which is the most humorous action? Of course, the last 5th letter. Okay, na? So our small Bobby, my little Bobby, in a way he is innocent. No? Not that he is a little mischievous. That is all. Okay, na? He really thought that the statue is the mother of God. Okay, na? Poor boy. So he felt like a heroic deed being done, that taking a statue from the church to his home. Okay, then he wrote a letter telling God that God's mother is kidnapped. And of course, he would release God's mother if God sends him a bike on his birthday. That is the most humorous. So try to write the remaining answers too. Okay, now. Okay. So if you wanted a bike, what would you write to God? Suppose if you are in 9th class, license is not there, but still you can expect to buy a bike. So what will you answer to God? See how you are going to answer. Why do you desire a bike on your birthday? Can you make an answer? You write your own. Okay. If you cannot find any of these answers, just to make a comment, I will answer it for you. I will send the answer. Okay, now. Would you like the behavior of little Bobby? No. Why or why not? Give a reason. You have to give a reason. Your own reason, enough. Any reason can be. Okay. So a sentence should be grammatically correct. Try to write these answers in the notebook. Thank you for watching. Meet you with another video. Thank you.